going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a radiator in a 96 through 2000 Honda Civic. So the first step, if you can, get on ramps or jack stands if you can, will make this process a lot easier. Second step, you want to take this plastic under tray off. You have some 10mm bolts here, there, a 10mm up here, and the plastic clip up here. The same goes on the other side. You want to take those out. Once you have that plastic under tray off or out of the way like I have it, come up to the top here, remove your radiator cap. Once you have the radiator cap removed, remove this clamp here on this hose, and then you want to remove that hose and make sure you have something underneath to catch all the coolant that's going to spill out so you don't make a mess on your driveway. And then it's just simple as draining the coolant. Remember when I said don't make a mess? I kind of made a mess. While you're waiting for the coolant to drain, remove the coolant reservoir just by pulling up on it, moving it out of the way. Undo this clip right here. Also remove this hose right here. Some coolant might come out of there, so. And also remove this clip too and undo this hose. Once you have this hose removed, there's a 10mm bolt you have to undo. And that's the only thing that's really holding it in place, other than two grommets. One there, it's just sitting in there. And all you do, take this out and pull out the radiator. Once you have the radiator out, you still might have some coolant left inside. So just dump it inside whatever you're draining the coolant into. Once you have the coolant drained out of the radiator, take off the radiator fan. You have 4 10mm bolts. Just take that out. Or if you don't have a 10mm, which you probably should, they're just 4 Phillips head screws. So here's a side-by-side comparison between the new and the old. As you can see, they're the exact same. The new one came with some new bushings and hardware. Alright, now that's the new radiator assembly is all put together. Now you just have to put it back into the car, and put it back in the car is just reverse everything you did to take it out. Okay, now that everything's put back together, you're going to want to fill up the radiator with coolant, and just keep in mind I am not using the correct funnel. I do not have the correct funnels for the job, so I'm just using a regular funnel and some rubber grommet that came with the kit to hold the funnel on. So what you want to do is just fill it up and then start the vehicle. Now that we have the radiator filled, we started the car so we can get all the air bubbles out of the coolant, and then as the car consumes more, add more until the radiator is completely full. Okay, now that the radiator is filled, all the air bubbles are out, reservoir is filled. Now you can put this plastic under tray back and then take it for a test drive and see if there's any problems. Okay, just came back from my test drive and nothing is leaking. Everything is working. Temperature is where it should be. And yeah, that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.